look too bad.
Actually, the outside's really nice. I mean, considering.
It's only a one-car garage.
Oh, well, it looks like a two-car. Vintage front door. Your favorite. All right, ready for this
I don't
beauty?
think that's salvageable.
Oh.
What? Why is there two openers?
I don't know.
It's really weird. Oh my gosh. Let me do it.
Mm-hmm.
Stop it.
No way.
What?
The double door.
Why would someone ever design that?
All right, let's go.
Oh my God. I'm not going in.
Yeah, you are.
No. Mm-mm. No. No.
Oh my God, come on. Ooh-wee.
No, it smells so bad. There's fur. There's fur.
It doesn't look bad.
This is a cat house. I see a scratcher.
Oh, I know you say this every time. This is the worst smelling house. This is definitely top 3.
Oh my God, I'm not even in. No.
Oh God, that smells.
Oh, why?
People just moved out.
Oh, come on. Why is there even a vacuum here? This place hasn't been vacuumed in like 5 years.
This is the kitchen.
This is the smallest kitchen I've ever seen in my life.
The kitchen is so small, we're gonna have to figure out how to open it up. Oh, it's getting worse.
What is even over there? It smells getting progressively worse.
It does smell pretty bad.
That one has to go.
To take this wall down right here, I'm guessing 4,000 to 5,000. If we were to do a brand new kitchen with an island and everything, another 10, 12,000.
Okay.
If we got this house, somehow we would have to make this the master bedroom.
This?
Yeah, we'd have to run plumbing. It would get expensive.
Yeah.
I mean, just to do this in here, we're probably looking at 20 grand. It's a good size, probably 10, 12,000.
You know what I'm thinking? Light it up. Bomb it.
Okay, here's bedroom number 1. Ooh, TV.
Oh my God. Look to the right. Oh my God.
Oh, there's poop.
Nope, not going.
There's
Nope.
poop.
Yep, tell me how it looks.
Come on, you gotta look.
No,
This is
I
our job.
peeked. I peeked.
You better peek again.
Absolutely
You
not.
better-
It's just a bedroom.
I
It needs new carpet, paint, and new ceiling.
That's actually not bad at all.
Is that fur? Is that fur?
I think it is fur.
What has happened here?
Okay, beyond the grossness, let's really talk. Okay, I mean, it's a decent yard,
You know,
just to get
there's
rid of
so
it.
much poo. You know that's all poo, right?
Yeah.
It's all poo.
Back here, we're looking at, I don't know, 5 grand.
Oh,
I think this house is beautiful. Oh, it smells.
fur.
I like the house. I think it's pretty cool.
You think it's pretty cool? It's
Yeah.
disgusting. It should be bulldozed.
Okay, first of all, yes, it's disgusting. Doesn't need to be bulldozed. Long Beach Market, super hot. This house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath that has the addition in the back, right? We can now take that house, make it a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, increase the value, and really have an opportunity to crush it here.
Still gross.
Still potential. As expected, there was a ton of interest, but we got the house for $558,000. I spoke with Jeff, and he actually agrees with me that to rehab the house as it sits is about $73,000. But we're meeting him there today to figure out how much more he thinks it's gonna cost to add a master suite and create a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Jeff?
Wow.
So
This
dusty.
stinks so bad, dude.
Okay, now the big question, how much more would it be to turn this area right here into a master bedroom and bathroom?
You could be 60 grand.
Huh?
Yeah, dude.
You thought it was gonna be 20.
You're wanting to put plumbing back here, right? That could be 50 grand.
What are you talking about?
See the difference in elevation here? So your original house is at this elevation, right? The part we're standing in right now is at this elevation. In order to get plumbing to go, plumbing has to run downhill. Your plumbing's up here. It can't go uphill and back downhill. It doesn't work that way. So you may have to contract through the city
What?
and get them to run new plumbing out to the street.
Did they take the whole street out?
Yeah, they have to cut through the street and run to the sewer in the middle of the street.
Oh.
Why don't we contact the city, get a price to do what you think we need to do?
Let me contact a plumber first.
All right. In this situation, to spend $50,000 just for the plumbing, it's just not worth it. Because at the end of the day, we're not gonna get $50,000 more for the bedroom and bathroom. So if we can't do it, we're gonna be selling a 2-bedroom house, and the best odds are we're gonna be lucky to break even. Tell me you got some exciting news.
Well, we brought the plumber out. What we thought was gonna be 50 grand in order to run the plumbing all the way out to the street, he thinks that he can go ahead and tie it in to the kitchen plumbing that you have here underneath the house. This way will only be about 3.
$3 grand?
Right. You just have to keep the bathroom here in this little square because we have to tie into the plumbing that's here.
So we'd have to lose the door to the garage and we wouldn't be able to enlarge the kitchen.
Right.
Oof. So how much is it gonna cost to add a master bedroom and bathroom?
12 grand in the bathroom. The bedroom, another 10 grand.
So you're talking like almost $25,000 to make this happen.
About that.
It's a big number. Let's do it. All right.
So did you make some good changes or what?
Well, before you can see all the way to the back of the house, now we have a wall.
Huh, kitchen looks tiny.
I mean...
What is this?
That's where the sink goes.
Like a triangle sink?
Yeah, we have to, because the way it wraps around. The cabinets we're gonna run, and we're actually gonna run them back to where they were existing. So we're gonna get more countertop here.
Okay.
And then look over here. We were actually able to add a big walk-in closet. Look at that.
That's nice.
And then this.
That's amazing.
So did you forget about the kitchen?
No. All right, I brought a bunch of different options.
All right.
I love this backsplash.
Seems a little bland.
Bland.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that one.
Countertop options.
Let's start with cabinets, the biggest part of the kitchen. It's smaller space. I'm thinking white. What do you think?
I think stick with the white. I like the flat panel. It's more modern. Backsplash-wise, I still really like this one. And I think this one's a little bit big for the space. I wasn't anticipating the kitchen being this small. I would go with this one. Don't you guys feel like it's a little bit weird that the only way to access the backyard is through the master?
Yes.
There's no door to get to the backyard from the main part of the house.
Yeah, I think we were just so busy focusing on the addition and the layout and all these different things, we completely forgot about the yard access. So that's where we're at. I think if we can figure it out, maybe we can add a door somewhere.
Yeah.
Jeff, how much do you think it would cost to do that?
If you're just a door, you're like $750.
Okay, that makes sense.
So you want to do it?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it. I mean, it looks
Alright.
terrible. And the house looks like crap. It does. It looks terrible.
Hideous. The blue on blue is definitely not working.
It's incredibly hard to choose a paint color off a tiny little sample. Sometimes you don't know if it's gonna work until you try it. And in this case, it just didn't work. Right there. What do you think about the front door color? A little better?
I think it looks fabulous.
Okay. Do you remember this house when we bought it? What a disaster it was? It was nasty.
It was smelly, for sure.
Ugh. I think the staging layout came out great, too. I love this bathroom.
Yes, we definitely did a great job with the design here. It's very clean and crisp, and the white definitely makes the bathroom look bigger and more open. Bedroom number 1.
The bedrooms are actually decent size for secondary bedrooms. They're not bad.
I like this bedroom, a nice view.
Kitchen is beautiful, though.
We spent more money on these cabinets, but I think this satin finish looks beautiful, has a really modern look. I actually feel like this is the first time being here where I don't feel like the kitchen looks small. It actually looks really nice.
It's perfect. No, I think it's perfect. So this is where all the magic happened. I'm really glad we added this door because...
Adds a lot of light and it makes more
Yeah.
sense. Like, the bedroom's huge. It's actually a really big bedroom.
I mean, this bathroom is spectacular. I love the accent tile.
You know, it's a huge shower. The design looks perfect.
Turning this house from a 2-1 to a 3-2 was definitely a gamble because we had to make several concessions in the rest of the house to make it happen. Hopefully, buyers agree that having a huge master suite is more important than anything else. Whoever buys this house can come out here and do built-in barbecue, jacuzzi.
Yeah, it's a big yard. Well, ready to get ready?
Ready to get ready.
All right.
What a cute house.
I know. I like the color a lot.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at the backsplash. It's really nice. This is a nice sized kitchen. It's good for entertaining.
It's not that big, but it flows really well.
Yeah.
The house may have some drawbacks, but the buyers were able to see beyond them because of the great design and the incredible master suite. I'm just hoping that this flip is not a flop.